Dell here, just to make a couple of remarks about a really fabulous ball player, Ted Williams. He played for Boston, started in '39, and World War II started shortly thereafter, and I think he was gone for about 4 years fighting the war, and then again in '52 and '53 he went back in for Korea. The wouldn't call it a war, but it's a skirmish or whatever the official name was. But anyway, so he did more than his amount of service for his country, and he's recently come up in the news about the cryogenic part of his existence and demise. Apparently, the head got separated from the body, and they're both cryogenically preserved. And there is some speculation as to is everything above board and all that sort of thing. So I guess that remains kind of an unknown. But what is for sure is that he was I think the only Major League Baseball player that retired with a batting average of over 400. So the guy was a super hitter, super ball player, and it's really nice that he's remembered in that. And that's what was new about it, was the cryogenic involvement there. Wish we knew more, and wish we knew for sure what happened, but I guess the jury's still out on it, and things get done behind closed doors, then you don't really know for sure. So this is just a tribute to Mr. Williams, and then the fabulous thrills that he gave the people in Boston at Fenway, and then also his service to his country. A great human being, an all-star athlete. Can't say enough about the guy.